Hi guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel and you're watching me, Tanuja. And for today's video, I just thought of switching up the setup a little bit. Kafi monotonous sa ho gaya tha. We were just doing room lights and things like that, and I thought I should come back to my beloved, my favorite daylight setup. So today we are sitting in a daylight setup and I'm wearing a Chatak Nirma white t-shirt, which I hope I don't stain by the end of the day. But yeah, anyways, today I'm going to be answering your questions on my first. Yeah, I think this should be fun. A lot of things that you guys asked made me think about them, and then I had to refresh my memories until I read the question, when was the first time you died? Like, bitch, what the fuck? Okay, I mean, like, okay.
Okay. Some of y'all are really stupid.
We are going to ignore that, but I think today's video is going to be very fun and I'm super excited to film it. So without any further ado, let's get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So let's just get started with the questions. Okay, red matchy, good. Okay, so the first let's just start with some boring ones. Which was your first school? So a lot of you all don't know, but I have only been to one school in my entire life, which is Satluj Public School. It is situated in Sector 2, Panchkula, and then bade wala school bhi hai jisme like 6th to 12th ke bache padhte hain. So first I was in chota school, then I went to the bada school. So it's the same school and I've never changed schools in my entire life. So Satluj Public School is the answer, you all. Okay, let's go to first pet. So it's a funny story. I've always liked and loved animals, and having a pet was one of my dreams. And it just so happened that one of my dad's like friend, or I don't know who, they were just leaving the town and they had 2 rabbits with them. So they gave their rabbits to us. Like basically उन्होंने अपने बच्चे हमें transfer कर दिए, and I took care of those rabbits for a good like 2 to 3 years, yeah. And the female rabbit, she used to give birth to these little rabbits, and at one point of time I had like 20 rabbits in my house. We used to like give them away, anyone who wanted to adopt them, but rabbits were my first pet. Okay, next first time on a plane. I've been on a plane just once in my entire life, and it was after I completed my CA foundation के exams, like the entrance exam, वो मैंने ख़त्म किए थे, and I think 2nd or 3rd day we boarded a flight from Delhi to Jammu and Kashmir. And let me tell you, being on a plane is the most boring thing ever. Like I prefer train journeys way more than plane. Okay, I agree it has the time benefit and advantage and everything else, but it's just so boring. Like 2-3 घंटे का सफ़र भी, it's like just very boring. I think train में बहुत मज़ा आता है. Like you get your seats reserved and you're with your family. And I think जो लोग train में regular travel करते हैं, they will agree with me that I think train journeys are superior than plane journeys. Comment down below what you all think. So let's move on to the next question, which is first book or novel. Of course, my first book would be ABCD or 1, 2, 3 in when I was like in kindergarten. But the first novel or like book that I read on my own, apart from my academic books, was this love story, which I think a lot of teenagers, मतलब मेरे उम्र के बच्चे जो जब teenagers थे उन्होंने पढ़ी होगी, which was I Too Had a Love Story. It was by Ravinder Singh. It's a beautiful love story, and I've loved reading love stories and fictional stories ever since. अभी मैंने recently थोड़ा philosophical type चीज़ें पढ़ना start करा है, but I've always been into novels and love stories and all the juicy stuff. Okay, so the next question is your first piercing. I only have 2 piercings in my entire body, which are like my ear piercings, and इसकी भी एक बहुत funny back story है. My parents got me like pierced from like a religious place, okay? So, and I was just like, I was moving so much you know, I was like running and I was like छोड़ दो मुझे, I don't want to get it. Okay, so हुआ क्या, मेरा इस कान का जो छेद था ना वो ऊपर हो गया था and इसका नीचे था, and उसका difference इतना ज़्यादा था that when I used to wear earrings वो properly like दिखता था कि ये ऊंचा है वो नीचा है. So then I had to go to a proper jeweler again and I got my ears pierced again, like in level and balance में. But I have 2 piercings in this ear and 1 in this one. I really wanna get a nose piercing नहीं, nose piercing तो मुझे करानी नहीं, I don't wanna get like a ear piercing थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे, and I'm planning कि साल ख़त्म होने से पहले वो हो जाए, but let's see. Okay, then the next question is first YouTube channel you subscribed. Of course I'm not gonna be like really sure, but as far as I can remember, either it was BB Ki Vines or it was Popexo, because when I became familiar to YouTube, Popexo पे Komal and Cherry used to be like the stars. So या तो मैंने उन्हें subscribe करा होगा और definitely BB Ki Vines, because I've been watching BB Ki Vines बहुत पहले से, like बहुत ज़्यादा viral होने से भी पहले से. So I think it should be either one of those. Next we have first broken bone. This was the very, not very recent, काफ़ी साल हो गया. I was in +2 when I yeah, I fell from the floor that we live on onto the ground floor. मैं नीचे गिर गई थी. So I had like my this backbone पीछे रीढ़ की हड्डी, 2 of my bones were like broken and I was in bed for like 4 months if I'm not wrong. Yeah, like complete bed rest. I wasn't even able to walk to go to the washroom, so my parents used to help me. So that was the first bone that I ever broke. उसके अलावा मेरे ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है, like हाथ पैर अभी तक सही सलामत है, थोड़ा मेरा. Next is first makeup item, and that makeup item is so special to me. So the first makeup product, I'll just show you guys, yeah, that I ever bought was this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I got this foundation on Diwali. I think 3 years ago I got this one, and I still remember that I went to the mall, I got my shade tested, and I paid $500 for this little bottle right here. And after this I bought a lot of my makeup, and now that I look back, I have this vanity full of makeup and it has like 10 drawers, and I've collected so much over this period of time, and each one of it is bought by my own money or earned by my hard work, and
I am super proud of myself.
on to the next question, which is what was your first Instagram post? I'm gonna go and look right now. I'm pretty sure that the first Instagram post on my first Instagram post on my Instagram, I have like archived it or either deleted it, but at this moment, let me just look. Okay, so the first picture on my Instagram as of now is from the date 20th July 2016, and here you go. It has picture with my best friends. Focus. Can you see? Dekho. Yeah, this is the picture. And I'm glad to say that I'm friends and like really good friends with all of these people till now. The next one says first reel. That should be easy. It was something that I edited out of my old content, like it was repurposed, because apparently when reels launched, everyone was like posting reels. They were like कोई रेस लग रही है and कोई पीछे ना रह जाए. So I also posted a reel, and it was something, yeah, here you go. It was one of my old TikToks. It was a reel, okay? So yeah. Next, let's go. It was first job. So if I look at it like technically, my first job was when I started doing my articleship, because I'm a CA student, so we have to work under a practicing chartered accountant, and my first job I took it in 2017, November 2017, and that job paid me 2,500 per month, which is like so less, but that was my first job. But अगर मैं बिल्कुल technically बात ना करूँ, like ऐसी job जिसमें मुझे check ना मिला हो, then I've been teaching tuitions since so long. Like I was in 10th grade, तब से I'm taking tuitions of little kids, and now I'm taking bigger kids. So I've been teaching ever since. So that could also be my first job. So I'm leaving on you to decide what was my first job. Which was the first movie that you ever watched? Guys, how can I remember? Like, I could be a 6-month-old kiddo lying on my sofa and my parents could have shown me literally anything that they would have liked. So I cannot really answer which was the first movie that I asked, like in its complete truthfulness. But if I go back to my senses, then I think there's one movie that I think comes to my mind when it comes to the first movie that I've ever watched. It was No Entry. We went with our family, like the entire family, and we watched that movie in theater, and for some reasons I just didn't find that movie funny at all. My entire family was laughing and I was like, what's so funny with it? Like you know, tab tak mera humor itna develop nahi hua tha. Now so it's a classic, I can watch it anytime. So that may be the first movie that I've ever watched. Moving to the next question, first ticket that you got. Yeah, I drive an Activa. Actor. Education has failed me, but मैं एक scooter चलाती हूँ, and the first चालान that I ever got was going through wrong side. One fine day I got a ticket and I even cried. I told them that my parents would take my Activa from me if I go home with the चालान, and you know, I made all sorts of stories. I cried and I begged them that I'm a student, please let me go. I was actually going to my office. So but they didn't hear me and उन्होंने चालान कर दिया था, and वो चालान मैंने कैसे छुड़वाया is another story without getting my parents to know about it. That's a story for another time, we'll do kabhi aur, but that was very very funny. Next question is first reality show that you ever auditioned. You all know me so well. You all know I have done a lot of shit with reality shows. So I've auditioned for quite a few of them, but the first one that I ever auditioned was Indian Idol. I was in 10th grade or maybe 9th grade, if I'm not sure. Yeah, and I sang the song Tare Hain Barati Chandni Hai. Such a tough song, and they just told me that you can come next year or you should prepare more, and I literally cried that I didn't get in. But uske baad I gave roadies, I gave for this some MTV show. Binafsha Soonawala was taking the auditions, and I even like got through it, but and due to some circumstances I wasn't able to pursue it further. First time you thought you made it. I'm guessing you're asking in this vlogging career or something, but I don't think that I've made it till now. Yeah, but there is one moment that when I felt ki I think my work is being recognized, and I was just very happy about doing it. I was at what, 1500 or 1600 followers when I got a collab from Nykaa, and it was a big collab. It was their new launch, and for a creator like me who had just started out and I didn't had like expensive stuff to show, or mera matlab I was making good content, but I didn't had a lot of products, you know. I was just doing with what I had and barely making it, and then getting a collab from such a big, like Nykaa is a big name. So that was one point of time when I thought, like, I was just very proud of myself that I will continue making this one because I think I have the potential. Next is first time I had alcohol. So I think you all don't know, but I don't like having alcohol. I don't have alcohol. I'm pretty sure Vikas or Monica made me try it, and it was some beer. I'm pretty sure that it was some beer, and I think that I can have beer. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है, just for the sake of having it I can have, but I just don't like it. ठीक है, ऐसा मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है. I'll rather eat something or enjoy another drink or like mocktail sort of a thing, but alcohol is really not my thing. But I think it was definitely Kingfisher Premium, or yeah, it was Kingfisher only. Yeah, I think it was Kingfisher only. Yep. Okay, on to the next question, which says your first collab. I am not going to be answering the first paid collab because it came very late, but the first collab that I ever got was from this brand called Organic Harvest. They sent me their sunscreen to review, and fun fact, they just sent it. Okay, there was no brief, nothing. मुझे बस इतना याद था कि जब मैंने Google form भरा था उसमें लिखा था that you have to deliver a post. So and they never did like a follow up or anything. So मुझे वही याद था एंड मैंने उसको पढ़ गया. आई थिंक आफ्टर like 30 to 40 days I made that post. So that was my first collab. Okay, next question, your first dance performance. I don't have a video of it, I don't have any picture of it, but I can tell you guys because my mom has narrated this entire incident to me that it was my annual function or something. I was in nursery or pre-nursery, I think so, and I was wearing a black and a golden frock, and I was performing on the stage, and my mom got all emotional. She was a little bit, like, oh my god, my little daughter is now dancing in front of like so many people. And someone who was standing with my mom, she said that like that little girl in golden and black dress, she's looking very very pretty and very cute, and she's dancing so well. And my mom was like, meri beti, she's my daughter. And the funny thing about is that the dance performance got over. All of the kids went off the stage except the girl in golden and black frock, because she was busy picking up toffees from the stage. Imagine that being such a big embarrassment, and everyone was laughing like, what is this kid doing? Get her off the stage and give her some more toffees. But that was it. Okay, so the next one is your first best friend. My first best friend was Archin Bansal, and I think till 3rd or 4th grade we were best friends. After that our sections and all got separated. So she was a really nice girl. I can remember she was so good to me. She always spoke the truth. She was always very helpful, and she was a perfect kid. She was so good in academics. She used to help me a lot, and as of like this day, I know her Instagram ID, Facebook ID. I think we are friends and stuff like that. So we कभी कभार दिख जाती है एक दूसरे की पोस्ट और समथिंग. वी आर नॉट रियली ऑन टॉकिंग टर्म्स, बट Arjun, if you're watching this, dude, you were such a good best friend to me. Thank you. And I couldn't have asked for a better first best friend. Of course, after that I made friends, and those friends are friends with me like till now. All of you, like Harpuneet and Gursimrat has never been on my channel because she left India before I started my channel. So she has been my best friend since 2nd grade. Harpuneet ko I know, Hikmat, I know her since KG. Monica came into my life when I was in 9th grade, and I know Vikas and Abhinav, and पायल को भी मैं कितने साल से जानती हूँ, या हम लोग बचपन से साथ हैं, लाइक 1st 2nd grade से भी नो ईच अदर. सो आई एम फ्रेंड्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनको मैं स्कूल टाइम से जानती हूँ, बट नॉट विद Archin as of now, but she was a really good person. First crush. I didn't really believed in crushes, but the first crush that I ever had was on this chef, and his name is Vikas Khanna. I clearly remember that Master Chef ka season launched in India, and I think for me, like, it has never been facial features. Like, never, kabhi bhi nahi hota that I'm attracted to someone because they are good looking. It is always their personality and who they are and what they do. So he was like so soft spoken, so gentle. He used to be shy, and he used to be like so subtle with all the contestants. So as to have like this big crush on him. I even like, I think I can show that to you guys. I had, wait, give me a second. Okay, like, give me a minute. Okay, so I found this used to be my diary back in the day. It's a register, and it says here comes the one and only, the best Tanuja. Can you guys imagine? I've made this curtains using tissues and this whole sippy style, and I covered it with a plastic thing, like I can't open it. So iske andar I am pretty sure that I wrote something. Can you guys see? Can you guys see or can you guys not see? This is like so cringe. Okay, I found his article in a newspaper, so I cut his article. I've written my cutie pie, my heartthrob, and whatnot, like cringe alert. And I think like I have, मैंने पक्का इसके बारे में पहले भी लिखा होगा कहीं पे. Yeah, see, look at this page. What it does, I just keep on adoring him. So I've written something about my first crush, and it says he's so cute, so smart, so shy, but I don't know that my liking for him is why. Old Tanuja used to rhyme as well. पहली बार, I mean first time मुझे क्यों अच्छा लगता है. See, I'm speaking the truth. I wrote this on 16/4/2013 गाइस 10 साल पहले लिखा था मैंने, 10 नहीं 7-8 साल पहले लिखा था मैंने. आई डोंट नो. Basically, I used to talk to this diary as if it's a person. So I used to talk like this person doesn't knows anything and I'm telling them about that. So complete cringe person I am. So that was my first crush. हो गया, क्या रह गया? First MUN. किसको पता है कि मैं MUN करती थी? कौन है मतलब बे ऐसा? So the first MUN that I ever did, एक तो मॉक MUN था मेरे स्कूल में, वहाँ से I got to know like what MUN is. But my first proper MUN was MJN MUN 2015. It was Montgomery International or something MUN, and it happened in Jalandhar. And I had to fight so bad with my dad कि मुझे जाने दो, and just ऐसे मैं चली गई थी. But that was my first MUN and it was a very nice experience. I think that was one of the मेरे life में very important experience that I count. Let's move on to the next question. First, yes. We won't go into the details because let's not forget that my parents are subscribed on this channel. So it was in 2015, April 2015. तुम क्या मुझे बहुत सीधा साधा समझते थे. Okay, next, and I think this should be the last, no, second last question. Your first boyfriend. I can't take names. He was from my school, and it was in the year 2014. Yeah. Next question is, first time your heart got break. Proper happened in 2016. Yeah, I think that was the last time that I had a heartbreak. Not like a proper heartbreak. It's just I felt like someone has hurted me. Is that even a word? But I won't say that I've ever been through a proper heartbreak, like never, but thoda bahut in 2016. And with that, I think I've answered quite a lot of your questions. It was very fun. Go down the memory lane and answer a lot of your questions. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below anything else you want to ask me, or any other challenges you'd like me to perform or to answer, or just do anything. This channel is a democracy. We do what you ask. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, tata and namaste.